Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Ito na nga. Ito ay short lang, my love. So, basahin natin ang biyahe ng buhay ng ating kabisyong si Pat. Good evening, DJ Lala. Just want to ask. I am 53 and single. Nagkagusto ako sa 29 years old and she looks sincere. My concern is the age gap. Okay lang ba na magkatuluyan kami? More power to your show and God bless. My live. Simula pa lang. My love, time and time again, pinatunayan na naman ng lahat ng klase ng taong nagmamahalan na love knows no age gap. Love knows no boundaries. Wow! Promo sa Love Radio. O diba? Love conquers all, even the age, my love. Time and time again, madami nang nakapagpatunay na hindi hadlang ang pagitan ng edad para mahalin nyo ang isa't isa. But, there's always a but, my love. It's not gonna be easy. It's going to be a challenge. Not only for you, but for her as well. When people ask her of her intention of being with you, she must be strong enough not to answer. If ang mga taong nagtatanong ay mga marites sa gilid lamang. Pero if those people who are asking for her intentions para sa'yo ay mga taong concerned sa'yo, I don't want you to be mad at them. I don't want you na mag-develop ng ill feeling sa mga taong to kasi they are concerned. They are just there to take care of you. Whether you see it as panghihimasok or not, whether you see it na they are crossing the line para lang protektahan ka, they had to do what they had to do because they are not thinking of anything else but your own good. So, kailangan niyang mag-develop ng lakas ng loob at tibay ng pakiramdam in order to sustain that relationship. Kasi people will truly be asking kung ano yung intention. And on your end, my love, sana tulungan mo siya. Tulungan mo siya na makita yon. Huwag mong hayaan na i-transform ka niya into someone na too protective of her to the point na you are pushing away even those people who are close to you. Even those people who are just concerned about you. Tulungan mo siya na makita nila na sincere talaga siya sa'yo. Kasi if your love is true, my love, if your intentions as well as to why you want to be with her has nothing to do with her young age, her physique, her youthful na looks, if yung pagkakagusto mo sa kanya has nothing to do with any of those physical attributes, then my love, you must allow her na makita din yun ng ibang tao sa paligid mo. Huwag mo siyang itago. Huwag mo din siyang pigilan. Bagkus i-encourage mo siya to be proud of the relationship you have. Tandaan mo, my love, sabi ko nga sa'yo, hindi nalingid sa atin ang relationship na may malawak or malaking age gap. Pero that doesn't mean hindi mag-exist ang mga marites na madaming sinasabi, maraming kinukuda sa buhay ng ibang tao. And I just hope you guys are strong enough and your relationship is stronger to withstand yung mga ganong klaseng negativities around you. Kasi hindi mo sila mapipigilan. But if you really love her and you know well in fact na mahal ka niya, na ipaparamdam niya yun sa'yo, inaalagaan ka, nilalagay ka sa top ng priorities niya, pinaparamdam sa iyo na you are secured, there's no reason for you to doubt any of her actions or intentions, then my love, just be happy. Kasi minsan talaga, regardless of how it looks, regardless of the time na ibinigay siya sa'yo, no one can ever question the look of a true love. Minsan pag alam mong totoo, alam mo lang talagang totoo eh. Kahit paduda ang ibang tao, dama mo sa sarili mo kung alin ang totoo at hindi. Kung naramdaman mo yan sa kanya, and alam mo sa sarili mong you'll never be as happy as you are right now with her than anyone else, then allow yourself to be happy. Kasi hodang maraming nasasabi yung iba. Yung focus mo, yung priority mo should be your own happiness. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Just let your relationship be open sa mga sasabihin ng iba. Allow the people who are close to you that's questioning yung integrity ng relationship ninyo, see for themselves just what type of a relationship you guys have. Ipakita nyo sa kanila how true it is so they can understand as well. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Pag-aralan mo kung paano siya ipakilala sa mga taong nagmamahal sa iyo nang hindi sila tinutulak, nang hindi sila tinitingnan ng may galit or puot. Bagkus, pangibabawi niyo yung understanding sa relationship ninyong dalawa. Kasi a lot of people may question again the integrity ng relationship ninyo. But if you do feel inside na it's genuine and it's pure, nothing else matters. Claro? Claro.